Hey guys, Kevin Holt and Chris Knurk on a Senna 10C Evo in the maiden voyage of the new Talon Turbo. Whoa! And it's a handful. Dude, that thing wants to get away.
What do you think?
It is a unbelievable handful.
It's a big difference, isn't it?
It's huge.
I think Honda did a good job, and Jackson and Garrett did a good job building a machine that has usable power, though, right? Like it just gets after.
All right, what's up you guys? It's Chris here from Southbound Honda in Lakewood, Washington. Standing here with the new, well, it's not new, but the Honda Talon R with the new Jackson Racing Turbo kit installed. It's been a complete honor to be, I believe, the first Honda dealership, at least in the Northwest, to receive and install and test one of these turbo kits on these Talons. Maybe, you know, I don't know how many other people have got these things, but I'd like to start by saying that we are beyond impressed with what Jackson Racing, Garrett Turbos, and Honda has done here. The increase in power absolutely exceeded our expectations. You know, there's been a lot of hoopla on the internet about this, that, and the other thing, horsepower, 60%, blah, blah, blah. I would say 60% is a pretty conservative and safe number. It's probably even a little bit more than that. We're anticipating about 165 to 170 wheel horsepower, not crank horsepower. This machine's gonna be going down, and we're gonna put it through its paces on a dyno, find out exactly what it can do. So we're very excited for that, so stay tuned as we will continue to update you. But the unfortunate part of all of this is we didn't really have a lot of space to work with so that we could really open this machine up and see what it's capable of. But in the confined space that we had, it's a absolute handful of a machine. Myself, in my experience with side-by-sides, I built a drag strip and obstacle course that was pretty small in comparison to some stuff locally here in the Northwest. I got an opportunity to ride in a lot of the different machines. I've ridden in the Turbo S, I've ridden in the Maverick RR, and I'm gonna tell you right away, this definitely has something for them. And I believe that this is only the beginning of something amazing. As far as the install and stuff is concerned, it's fairly straightforward, although it's something that I would definitely consider having a certified Honda dealership install for you, simply because it is something that you need in order to retain your factory warranty. The factory warranty is retained with this machine. However, if you would like to know more about that, please give us a call at the shop or come down and see us. all in all, the install was pretty straightforward. As you can see here, there's a new header, you know, obviously a new turbo manifold, top mount turbo, internally gated. Its tune is putting out about 8 psi. It's got an all new intake that comes with it, a new hot side or downpipe or whatever you want to call it here for your exhaust, and then the intercooler itself is mounted in place of the OEM airbox and all that stuff. It has a fan on the bottom side that pulls cold air through the intercooler here, which also blows some cool air on your engine. Pretty nice. As you can see, Garrett turbo right there. Just, you know, all in all, very, very impressed with the capabilities that this Talon now has. It was so much fun, you guys. Kevin, the owner here at Southbound Motorsports, Southbound Honda, and myself both got to drive this thing. I did the majority of the install with some help, and was the first person to drive it. Two-wheel drive was just like unmanageable. So much power, so much fun to hear the turbo blow off behind you, which, as you can see, it's a recirculating system, so your blow-off valve is here. There's a new nipple for vacuum that gets tapped into the throttle bodies. It recircs back over to the intake side of the charge piping, and it looks like they left some room here. I'm not quite sure what they got going on there, maybe some plans for some future stuff, but we were running around in this thing, just, well, you heard it in the video, just silly. Like, it is so much fun. So listen, you guys, I want you to stay tuned because we got a lot coming for this machine right here. The Turbo Talons in general, we definitely have intentions of putting this machine up against its competitors in all different sorts of scenarios, not only in dyno horsepower numbers, but also in real world. You know, what's on paper and how power is delivered to the ground is two completely different things. And I'm a firm believer that a real transmission puts the power to the ground over a belt drive or CVT transmission. The dual clutch transmission in this thing is, in my opinion, it's just superior. There's only one other manufacturer, and that's Yamaha, that's got a real transmission in one of their machines. Difference being is that Honda's the only machine that has a transmission that's actually tunable to the tire size, to the application that you're running. So when you get this machine, Honda will flash it for your tire size. And as you can see, for us here, we're running a 32-inch tire on this MSA tires, 32-inch MSA rims, 32-inch tires on this Talon. So that was an option in the flashing portion of this. So you can't do that with any other rig. It's just plug and play, you get what you get, right? And to us, that says an awful lot about the quality of the machine. But all in all, extremely clean, extremely straightforward install. Should be somewhere in the 6 to 8 hours of labor at your local Honda dealership. So thank you guys for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, we got a lot more coming, and come see us here at Southbound Honda. This machine is going to be on sale, so check us out at www.southboundhonda.com. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.